Hi, this is Kevin with A1 Floors. I'm visiting a recent customer of ours, Tammy from Raleigh, North Carolina. We had the privilege and the opportunity to put new vinyl flooring throughout her home on the first floor. As you can see, beautiful new flooring, as well as putting new vinyl stair treads on her staircase. A1 Floors of Raleigh. With our customer Tammy of Raleigh as well, and she'd like to take a moment to just say a few words.
Hi, I am Tammy from Raleigh, and I recently had work done by A1 Floors. I highly recommend them to anyone in the area. The quality of work was great. The crew was so professional when they came in. They put everything back, they moved everything. They just did everything just pretty much perfect. I'm loving my new floors. And I'm loving them so much to the point where I'm actually having another home done, some more floors put down. So if you're in the area and you need floor work, I recommend A1 Floors.